Let's learn some more about the find method. As we already learned with the find1 method, the find method can take a couple of arguments. The first argument specifies what documents to return in the query, similar to a where clause in SQL. For instance, I can retrieve just those documents where the field type is essay, and here we see a bunch of essays with scores. Alternatively, I could select just those where the student is student number 19, and there are 3 of those, as the logic of the insertion that we did before provides. If I want to conjoin multiple clauses, I can by specifying multiple field and value pairs in the first argument to the find. In this case, I'm getting the document where the student ID is 19 and the type is essay. In fact, this is an important detail. When multiple fields are given in the document that's in the first argument to find, the meaning of that query to the find is that both the fields have to match whatever the specified criteria are. In this case, the student must be equal to 19 and the type must be equal to the string essay. Further, find can take a second argument, just as find1 can. The second argument to find is also a document, and can specify what fields should be retrieved from the database. Only those fields will actually be sent back to the client application, in this case the shell. For example, I might want to retrieve just the score. Again, by default, the underscore ID will be returned, even if I don't ask for it. If I would like not to get the underscore ID back, I can ask for the underscore ID to be excluded by specifying underscore ID false. In this case, I get back just the score field from the document where the student ID is 19 and the type is essay. There is a lot more to be said about the query facilities that are available for the first argument to find, but not a whole lot more to be said about the second argument to find, so we might not be revisiting it very much for the rest of this course. Okay, let's have a quiz. Supposing a scores collection, similar to the one that we've just presented, how would you find all documents with an essay score that's equal to 50 and retrieve only the student field from these documents?